Hey you guys, my name is Brittany and I love you. I want you. I need you. To hit subscribe, you guys, and press the bell on the side to get notified when I upload new videos and share this video with everyone, y'all. Y'all, today I'm doing the No Burping Challenge by Jaleel Odom. Yeah, I tried this challenge before. I tried the 2-liter and the 1-liter, and he brought it down to like the 16 to 20 ounce. So y'all, I'm going to try the 20 ounce. I never tried it. And if y'all haven't seen my no burping challenge on the 2-liter and the 1-liter drink, you guys, go check that out. Y'all, this 20 ounces, the bottle looks so small to me, I guess, because I'm used to drinking the 1-liters now, because the 1-liters are $1, or $1.08 at Walmart now, $1 at dollar store. And the 20 ounces be like 169, 189. So hey, I get the 1-liter, you guys, and just throw it in the fridge. So I think I'm gonna get on to this challenge. Just no timing, y'all. Just see if you can drink the whole bottle without burping. Y'all think I can do it? Comment down below if y'all think I can drink all this without burping. And I chose Sprite, you guys. I hope y'all having a great day today on this Wednesday, y'all. I'm finna get right into it. Here it goes. And it's cold, so it's burning. Ah, got my tongue. Ooh. Ooh, I did it, y'all. My stomach is so full. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all already knew the burps was gonna come with this. Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, I thought it was gonna be easier, but the 20 ounce is hard too. Y'all, this is a hard challenge, y'all. And that's the end of this challenge, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, don't forget to thumbs this video up, you guys. Subscribe, press the button, hit the bell on the side to get notified and upload new videos. Oh, excuse me, y'all. And share this video with everyone, y'all. I hope y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out of here, y'all. Love you guys.